Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sous vide with a gadget that promises to elevate your home cooking to restaurant quality levels. We're talking about the INKBIRD Wi-Fi Immersion Circulator, Model B0DJ2MY7ZG. If you've been curious about sous vide or looking to upgrade your current setup, stick around because we're going to break down everything this cooker has to offer. Let's start with the headline feature, Wi-Fi Precision Cooking. The INKBIRD connects to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and through the INKBIRD app, you gain a remarkable level of remote control. Imagine starting a long, slow cook on your ribs before you even leave for work, or adjusting the temperature of your salmon while you're out running errands. This app-based control is truly a game-changer for busy schedules. You can monitor the cooking progress, make adjustments, and even share access with family members, so everyone can be involved in the culinary magic. The app also boasts USDA-approved recipes, which is a fantastic starting point for beginners, guiding you towards foolproof gourmet results. No more stressing about overcooked steak or undercooked chicken, this circulator aims to take the guesswork out of it. Now, what makes this device built to last? The INKBIRD Immersion Circulator is IPX7 waterproof. This is a crucial feature for any kitchen appliance, especially one that will be spending its time immersed in water. It means it's designed to withstand prolonged cooks without succumbing to rust or damage. Internally, it features 3D circulation heating. This technology is designed to ensure even heat distribution throughout your water bath. The benefit of this is that your food cooks uniformly, locking in all the delicious juices and flavor. You can say goodbye to those annoying dry edges and perfectly cooked centers. Every bite should be a consistent delight. Precision is paramount in sous vide, and the INKBIRD delivers with an impressive temperature control of plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius, or 0.3 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of accuracy is really the secret to achieving those consistently flawless results. The temperature range is also quite broad, spanning from 32 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it suitable for a wide variety of cooking tasks, from delicate custards to robust, slow-cooked meats. The timer function is also incredibly generous, allowing you to set cooks for up to 100 hours. This opens up a world of possibilities for truly slow-cooked dishes that would be impractical with conventional methods. No more hoping for the best, just dependable, drool-worthy dishes every single time. One of the biggest appeals of sous vide cooking is the hands-off nature, and the INKBIRD really leans into this. The app's booking function allows you to schedule your cooks in advance. So, you can prep your ingredients, seal them up, and set the circulator to start at a specific time, ensuring dinner is ready when you are. You'll also receive real-time alerts when your meal is done, so you're never left waiting. Safety is also a priority. The machine includes safety alarms that will trigger if the water level gets too low or if the temperature spikes unexpectedly. This gives you peace of mind, knowing your kitchen and your dinner are protected. It's like having your own sous chef available 24/7. Powering all this culinary freedom is a robust 1000-watt immersion circulator. This higher wattage means it heats water faster and, more importantly, maintains those precise temperatures rock-steady for extended periods. The stainless steel heating column is not only durable but also contributes to efficient and consistent heating. This makes the INKBIRD an excellent choice for meal prepping on weekends or for entertaining guests with effortless, chef-grade meals. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen and unlock a new level of cooking convenience and quality, this might very well be the last sous vide cooker you'll ever need. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the Wi-Fi connectivity and app control are undeniably a major advantage, offering unparalleled convenience and flexibility. The precise temperature control and broad range mean you can tackle almost any sous vide recipe with confidence. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures durability and peace of mind during long cooks. The 1000-watt heating element is powerful and efficient. The generous 100-hour timer and safety features further enhance its appeal. The inclusion of app recipes is a great bonus for those new to sous vide. However, no product is perfect. One potential con is that the reliance on Wi-Fi and the app means that if your internet connection is unstable, you might lose some of that remote control functionality, though the device should still operate locally. For some users, the initial setup of the Wi-Fi connection might also present a slight learning curve. While the app is generally well designed, some users might prefer a more traditional, purely button-controlled interface on the device itself, without needing their phone for basic operations. Also, while the stainless steel heating column is a pro for durability, some budget-conscious buyers might find the overall price point to be a consideration, although it is competitive for its feature set. In conclusion, the INKBIRD Wi-Fi Immersion Circulator for Sous Vide, Model B0DJ2MY7ZG, is a very compelling option for anyone looking to get serious about sous vide cooking. It masterfully blends advanced technology with robust build quality and user-friendly features. The Wi-Fi connectivity, precise temperature control, and safety features make it a standout choice for both beginners and experienced home chefs. If you value convenience, accuracy, and consistent results, this INKBIRD cooker is definitely worth a serious look. It offers a truly modern approach to cooking that can transform your meals. Link in the description.